Yo, what's good, YouTube? This your boy Yvonne, man. I'm back with another video. Today's gonna be different, man. Today I'm going back to with my people. You know what I'm saying? This is a video of the title is Vagabond. Haitian man gets caught cheating on live radio. Vagabond means bad boy, okay? So for those of you that don't know, yeah, the title is Vagabond. Haitian man gets caught cheating on live radio. I've been hearing about this a lot on WhatsApp. A lot of people from Haiti hit me up saying that they need me to react to it. So with that said, I'm about to go ahead. I'm about to go ahead and get into this for y'all right now, man. Y'all let me know. Yo, let's just get it done, man. Let's go.
Is that correct?
Yes, I am right now. I am here.
Do you live here or part-time or?
No, I still live in Haiti.
Okay. All right. Well,
I thought back and forth, but
I see.
still live in Haiti. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'd like to offer you these free flowers. They're beautiful long-stem roses. They're free of charge. The only thing we ask in return is that you talk about us on your social media, like your Facebook or Instagram or Snapchat, that kind of thing.
Oh, no problem. No problem. I have no problem with that.
No problem with that.
Can you send them? There's someone I want to send mail.
Okay, so you want to send these flowers out to someone, is that correct?
Yeah.
So you want to send flowers back to Haiti?
Jacques in Haiti, yo.
Yes, but someone special to me. I want to send them flower and then
Okay, so you don't thought maybe you would want to send the flowers to someone here in the United States? Since we're
No, it was to send it to Haiti.
No, I want to send to Jacques. There's no information about my credit card, right?
No credit card is necessary. Nothing. No.
I don't do that, okay?
So no problem. So
I don't do that. I don't do that.
Okay. In Haiti.
My name is Claire.
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 All right. I'll get the last name in just a second, but why don't you give me the message that you want to put on the card?
Okay, the message is Shelly.
I'm so sorry, but I don't.
How am I supposed to send a message when she doesn't speak English?
I know. I didn't know that you were going to. Hey, what about Tiana? She speaks English. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What do you do? Well, Tiana, you want to say something to
Yo.
Baby,
the great famous Claire.
What's happening?
They are lying on me.
Right now you're in New York City on WKT Radio, on iHeartRadio. That's Marie. You've been speaking with Marie.
Oh, shit. Yes. That's why I just like, She's my friend, okay, baby? She's my friend. Claire's my friend, okay?
Who is this person?
Who's Claire?
Why you?
She has suspicions. Tiana's been flying into the States back and forth, and she wants to. Yeah. This is happening. It's happening.
Why are you not keeping me like that?
Because Claire is a listener.
Oh, that shit fucking hurt. Oh, shit. Why are you in my business? Oh,
Tiana would like to right now, because you've been going back and forth, she's been paying for everything. Tiana would like to know if you'd marry her. Right now.
We'll even pay for the wedding.
We will pay for the wedding here in New York. We'll put you up at, we'll take care of everything up to a
Audience
certain
will come is all invited, all of New York.
Up to a certain point. I mean, I can get hard to pay for some of this, but I can't. So everything's taken care of. Listen to me right now, Gene. Tiana's been waiting for a long time.
Sean is gone, bro. Sean ain't gonna say nothing.
Will you marry her?
Sean is.
You know what? The problem is...
Claire.
Yo, my Jean, why you in my business, man? Why you in my business? Yo, this was hilarious. Yo, Jean, man. Yo, Jean. Oh man, this was, yo. Like for those of y'all that don't, that's exactly how they sound. I mean, and it's funny to me because that's my people. You know, when they say like, why you in my business? Like they will tell that to anybody. They pop one now. Once I'm visual, so yo, this was funny, man. My people was hilarious. Oh shoot, I'm sweating. I'm gonna go ahead and watch it again, man. With that said, man, this was my reaction. You guys like, comment down below. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more. Again, yo, this was your boy Yvonne, man. I am out. I'm definitely about to watch this with Nana. Nana, you gotta watch this with me. I'm out, y'all. Nana.